What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm just leaving work now. We are testing out the Insta360 now, so hopefully the Insta360 stays on. I'm fucking scared. We are about to rip it though. Yeah, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what it looks like on the Insta360. This is literally the first time we're using it. But what is going on, guys? It's Vinci Media back with another video. I got the clear visor on because you know, it's about to get dark. It's kind of surprising that it's still a lot of sunlight out at this time. Usually it's already dark whenever I leave work. Damn. Yeah, so this is the first time using the Insta360. We're going to be testing it out. Hopefully whenever I edit this video, you know, everything's synced up together perfectly well. But I'm not sure because, you know, it's going to be my first time. Yeah, so today we're going to meet up with Aeron. You're going to see later in the video. I probably won't be using the Insta360 because it's too dark. Because I'm not sure how it does in low lighting, but I could record it and see how it goes, but I'm not too sure about it. It was all cold the other week, and now this week it's just, what? It's in December too. Almost mid-December, and it feels like this. Here's another biker. I'm gonna use the little 360 to, you know, do that. Hopefully it works. I just want to try it. Yeah, I need to still fix my mic problem with the Cardo. I still need to get Vu's and Aeron's voice to like work correctly. Oh, I got something in my eye. I think the Insta360 moved a little bit. I'm not sure. Oh, it did. Oh, that's so sketch. Yeah, it keeps moving. It's gonna wobble. Oh my gosh, that is so sketch. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Vinci Media. Now I'm continuing the video with Aeron now. We're actually going to that one place called Culver's. One of my subscribers actually recommended it, so I'm actually gonna do it, you know, with Aeron, because we got nothing else to do. I got bad news for you. I dropped my Insta360 going 30 miles per hour on the first day. Ain't that some crap? So yeah, only the front lenses, so I'm probably just going to try to get it polished, remove the outside coating of it. So yes, sir. You know him? Huh? You know them?
He goes to car shows a lot. He hangs out a lot with
gosh, that was weird. That was... I should have just walked in. Fuck. That shit was so weird. Oh, that's a big menu. We're back on the road. Yeah, we just had Culver's. And to be honest, it wasn't that bad, but yeah, I prefer still in and out. That sucks that I cracked my Insta360 on the first day, but I should be able to get some nice Insta360 footage for you guys at the beginning of the video. So right now we're just gonna head out and just explore around. I'm looking for a place to do a short video for, because I haven't done a cinematic in a while, so I might as well get that. Yeah, Culver's had the crinkle fries. I don't really, you know, like that much. Every time I see a car behind me, I just flash my rear plate.
Your big flashes?
Yeah.
I just do this, I just look at...
Yeah, mine goes, it flashes and then it goes back to normal. Since now I have the Insta360, anyone that pulls up, I can actually put the camera on them now. So like those girls, nice bite.
Oh, yeah. Was it anything?
Alright, I'll stop in this Jack in the Box. I'm coming. You're making me mad. Oh damn, what are you buying?
Big Jim.
Oh, it feels good.
I don't need the change. Can I get anything?
Nah.
Got myself a big Jim. Look at it. Monsters all day. Feels good in there. It's humid out here.
Oh yeah. The helmet's coming off. So should we head back to like Carrollton?
Probably.
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of our ride. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe down below, and give me more food suggestions. You know, I like to try new things, so go ahead and drop down whatever you want in the comments. You know, video ideas or anything you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments, and then we'll see if we can make it happen. Yep, but it's been Vinci Media, and I'll see you guys on the next upload. Peace out.